Smoking meat in winter presents unique challenges, but with the right techniques, you can achieve incredible results. Keeping heat within your smoker is crucial for maintaining the proper cooking temperature, which can be difficult in colder weather. This video will guide you through methods to ensure that delicious smoky flavor permeates your meat while keeping it warm and tender. We'll discuss the best practices and accessories that will make your winter smoking experience enjoyable and successful, allowing you to savor that richly smoked flavor regardless of the chill in the air. When it comes to smoking meat in winter, selecting the right smoker is essential for maintaining heat. Well-insulated smokers are ideal as they prevent heat loss, ensuring consistent cooking temperatures even in cold conditions. Electric smokers are great for effortless temperature control, while pellet smokers combine convenience with smoky flavor. On the other hand, well-sealed charcoal smokers retain heat effectively, but require more attention to temperature management. Understanding the benefits and characteristics of each option will help you choose the best smoker for a warm and delicious winter smoking experience. Preparing your meat properly before smoking can drastically improve your results, and especially in winter. Start by pre-warming the meat, allowing it to come closer to room temperature before it hits the smoker. This minimizes heat loss during cooking. Additionally, placing a hot water pan inside the smoker serves multiple purposes. It not only adds moisture, preventing the meat from drying out, but also helps maintain a stable cooking temperature. Combining these techniques enhances the flavors and textures of your meat, making for a warm, flavorful dish that shines even on the coldest days. To successfully smoke meat in winter, utilizing winter accessories is key. Windbreaks are essential for shielding your smoker from harsh gusts, which can sap heat and disrupt your cooking temperature. Additionally, smoker blankets can be wrapped around your unit to provide extra insulation, keeping warmth contained. These accessories not only enhance heat retention, but also allow for consistent cooking results. Investing in these winter tools can simplify the process, allowing you to focus more on flavor and less on battling the elements, ensuring that your smoking experience remains enjoyable and effective during colder months. Monitoring the internal and external temperatures of your meat and smoker is vital for winter smoking success. Using reliable thermometers allows you to keep track of the cooking process, ensuring that meats are cooked to the desired doneness without overcooking. In colder weather, you may need to adjust cooking times, as colder temperatures can slow down the cooking process. Regularly checking the smoker's temperature helps maintain an even heat, which is crucial for flavor and texture. Understanding these dynamics will help you achieve perfectly smoked meat, regardless of the chilly conditions outside.